Oh. Ooh, they're hitting it. They're hitting it. Come on, man. First cast, really? Oh, they're hitting it. Okay. That's where they jump, right there. Just work it. Work it. Come on, little jig. Whoa. Holy shit, bird. That bird tried to get my shit. I almost caught a bird. Damn, I got that on video. Freaking bird is gonna come down and swoop my shit, dude. That was crazy. I hope I got that on video. Oh my god. Right there, that's perfect. Alright, let it drift a little bit. Pop it. Pop it, pop it. Pop it. Come on, right there. There he is. There he is. There he is. And he's slapping. Oh, this is awesome. I got the right baits. I got the right lures. Just like yesterday, no sweat. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, Mr. Rainbow. Come on. Come on, Mr. Rainbow. Oh, beauty. Oh, he's a beauty. Oh, he's fighting me. Oh, yeah. Come on over. Come on over. I have my water shoes on. I don't think I need them. Yeah! What's up? What's up? All right. Let me get you back in the water. Did you already throw the lure? Nice. All right, hold on, bud. I don't know my water shoes on. All right, you already threw the bait, or the lure is off. I gotta get my water shoes on. Wow, I didn't think I was gonna hook up that fast. That's awesome. Right there. Beauty. Oh, nice fish. All right. In you go. In you go. Beauty. Oh yeah, you're beautiful. There he goes. I stunned his ass. All right, he's good.